Do you remember Lwahle Mseleku on Izingane Zesitembu season 3? He had a conversation with his father Musa Mseleku about his first girlfriend. She was pregnant and that girl says it's Lwahle's baby. They had a DNA test first and it came 0%, and now it's again to another baby, it's 0%. Maybe the problem is Lwahle. Maybe the simples are not matching to the father, can match to the mother, so they have to go to professional doctors when it happened twice. That's why Lwahle is continuing to be in a relationship with Kwezi. Lwahle knows what he is doing. He doesn't want to rush on things. He knows that there is problem happen on his DNA, but they have to go to professional doctors or to go to sangomas, people who have got spiritual eyes. They have to know that baby belongs to Mseleku's family, or maybe something happened. So Lwahle now, he is not in rush. Maybe his family, they think that he is crazy to continue to be in a relationship with Kwezi, but they found out that the DNA test is 0%. So the whole family, they believe that Kwezi want to give Lwahle the baby is not belongs to him. But what I saw, Lwahle, he is believing in Kwezi because it happened twice, and maybe Lwahle can move on with another person. It happened again. So Lwahle, he is in fear to lose Kwezi again because he is much in love with Kwezi. At the first time, the DNA came 0% with his first girlfriend. He was not much in love with that girl. But now on Kwezi, she is not giving up on Lwahle. Lwahle is not giving up on Kwezi, what I saw. But they have to go to professional doctors because what I saw to that boy, Lwahle, they claim that it's his baby. He looks like Lwahle, even that head. You can show that maybe that boy looks like Macele and Lwahle, those head. So I don't understand what's going on because people, we believe on DNA, but we don't know sometimes, guys. I remember that Nigerian movie I saw, the man, he tested his kids, all of them are 0% DNA. So they fight with his wife, he fight with his wife, they fight, the two of them, until they go to professional doctors who knows about the DNA testing. Musa Mseleku have to find a good doctor, a professional doctor. In India, they know how to test again another DNA test because they know that the DNA test, Lwahle's blood sometimes is not strong. It can happen that his old kids, those simples, are going to their mothers. Their mothers, if you test, maybe you can see that they can match the mother and the father's blood. They can, so the child, the child can take simples to the mother, not to the father. It can happen. So professional doctors, they know it, or the sangomas, spiritual sangomas, they have to go there. Musa Mseleku is a spiritual person, you understand? He can go to those people. They can tell him that there is something wrong about DNA testing, because sometimes we believe in doctors, we believe on DNA testing. You can show that child on his previous relationship, he says it's not my child, maybe it's Lwahle's child. It can happen, guys. So Musa Mseleku, he doesn't give up like Macele. Macele is a woman, she can be angry, but Musa Mseleku have to do something for Lwahle, because Lwahle is going to lose his kids. If Kwezi, she have got a short temper, she is going to move on Kwezi and with that child sometimes, if she didn't do anything or to lie. Because what I saw, Musa Mseleku have to took again that first child. They claim that it's Lwahle's child, and the two of them, and bring them together to do another samples to professional people, because we can say we do a DNA test, but guys, there are people who knows to do the DNA test, you can claim that child belongs to Lwahle again. You don't understand. So they have to do it again to make sure that those two kids are Lwahle's kids again.